Hey everyone, in today's video, how to use Apple gift card on Brawl Stars. So, to use Apple gift card for in-game purchases in Brawl Stars, you'll need to redeem the card to your Apple ID balance first, and here's how you can do it. For that, open up your App Store in your mobile device, and then make sure you're logged into your Apple account. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Then inside here, you will then be able to find an option that says redeem gift card or code. Go ahead and tap onto it, and then enter the code from your gift card either by scanning it or simply entering manually. Once redeemed, the gift card will be added to your Apple account. Now to use the balance in the Brawl Stars, you want to go ahead and launch the Brawl Stars application in your mobile device and then log into your account. So you want to go ahead and choose the item you wish to purchase, and then at the checkout section, you want to go ahead and simply select Apple ID balance as your payment method. If your Apple ID balance does not cover the full amount, you can pay the remaining balance using another payment method linked to your Apple ID. And that is simply how you can do it, guys. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.